Man, yeah. So what's really funny, I tell people this story kind of all the time, but my history goes way back further than actually flying drones. I know I tell people, "Hey, I've been in the drone industry for 10 years," and that is true. I've been flying drones ever since I was yay tall. But really, my interest into getting into the industry was in the production industry. So I was always running around with cameras, whether it's my iPhone or a Canon camera, making short films with my buddies back in middle and high school. And it wasn't until I convinced my father to get me a drone and a higher end DSLR camera to do real estate photography, because my best friend just so happened to, his dad was a real estate broker. So obviously every single real estate broker, and I mean, I'm sure you know how this story goes.
Yeah.
You go and shoot some photos for them, you get paid $75, $150 for every single house that you do. And that was essentially the start of me getting into drones. This is way before Part 107 existed.